Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a swipe today, but first I want to show you the dried result of the last one I did. This was done with the Artist Loft Ready Mix Pouring Paints, and I'm very happy with the way it came out. It did dry just like I left it, and I put a coat of triple thick varnish on it by DecoArt. It's called Brush On, but I've never found that to work so well. I did pour it on, and then I spread it around with a gloved hand, and takes 24 hours to dry, and it's a pretty good look, I think. Similar to resin, but without the fuss. So that's that. Now today's swipe, I'm going to be using a Floetrol and Water mix along with these colors. Now, so it's going to have a very different appearance, I'm sure. I'm using Pharoah's Gold. This is antique bronze. Yeah, antique bronze. Also a Modern Masters color. My swipe color is Raw Umber. And I've used up a tube, Master's Touch. I added 1 drop of silicone to this. This is brass. Yeah, brass, Modern Masters. And I mixed a color. Oh, that's why I was confused about this color. I mixed a color. Antique bronze and burnt orange. I added orange to it because it was just too similar to the brass there. That's what I did. And this blue one, just for fun, is Blue Spruce Art Mines. This was on clearance long ago. I don't know if they even make it anymore, but I just thought it would be pretty to have a pop of blue in there. And then I have white. So I'm going to, I'm pouring over this dud. They're not all winners, believe me. I'm going to apply the colors in stripes across the canvas, and then I'll add white to the top and bottom, and then I'll swipe with the brown. So here we go. I want my swipe, I'm going to swipe up and down a little off center, so probably up around here. So okay. Heck, I might as well pour it all out. I'm not going to have enough to do anything else with. My white is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. It's a very old bottle. Remember when it's now called Soft Body, but a couple people sent me a couple bottles of the Flow Acrylic, and so I'm using that. It's pretty old though, 2019, so it was a little lumpy. I had to strain it, but we'll see what happens. This is the one with silicone in it. Raw Umber. Bronze. And the blue. You know, this could be interesting enough on its own, or I could always transform it and use it for a background for something. We shall see. And now I'll fill in the rest with the white. Okay. My swipe tool is this piece of plastic. Laid in the center of that brown that has the silicone in it. And slowly come down. I will be tilting some as well, I think. I'm sure, because I want to get rid of that stripe there. I'd normally turn that canvas around to swipe away from me, but there's not much to swipe, so I'll go this way. I'm going to use this end because I don't want any of that white to come through. Wonder if I'm going to lose all the blue. Pretty much did. Oh well. That's okay. Now, put some gloves on. Oh, there's a little blue. I was going to go with black as a swipe color, but I just kind of wanted a very warm painting with a hint of cool. And it looks like that's what I've got. So, let me just tilt slightly. I don't want to disturb this too much. I like the shapes of the cells I have here. I just want to bring it a little to the side and the bottom here. Come on, you. That was a little more than I wanted to do, but it's okay. Bring it back. Weight of the paint, come down here. Corner. All right. Oh, that gold is so pretty. Pharoah's gold, it's called. All right. I'm going to hit it with a torch. See if I can pull up any more cells in that center section there. Not really, because the brown was not sitting on top of anything else. So it's a pretty much solid line, but I kind of like it. I mean, I do like it. I like it a lot. Turn around to you. Yeah, I think this is a keeper. And probably I'll leave it alone. I don't see a need to embellish it. Let me bring you in for a closer look. That metallic gold is going to be gorgeous when it's dried. I love the kind of flower shapes that you get with Floetrol and Water. And the blue is really coming through nicely. I like that. And along with the, looks really pretty next to the bronze. Yeah. Now this one may morph a little bit, unlike the dried one I showed you. Because of the Floetrol, it might spread out a little more, which would be okay. I hope it doesn't change too much, but we'll see. I'll show you a picture of the dried results at the end and in the next video. So, thank you for joining me, my friends. Happy painting.